Hi guys, so in this video we are going to see that, for example, you have a game or a software in C drive and you want to transfer it to D drive or any other drive without reinstalling. You can easily do it. For example, there are many games which are of larger size. You don't want to keep them in C drive, but you have installed them and they have by default went to the C drive. So let's see how to do it. So first of all, they must be in the program files folder or program files x86 folder, depending upon if they are 32-bit or 64-bit. First locate them, that they are in which folder. So I am here first of all taking an example of VLC. Okay, I'll transfer the VLC from C drive to D drive and without reinstalling, and I'll take VLC as an example. Your software name may be different and software type may be different. It may be a game, it may be software. So let's take an example that I want to transfer this video lane to another folder, another drive. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, that we will create a replica of this folder, okay, having the same security settings, okay, like this. Okay, only the empty one. Okay, we don't want all the files inside it. First we'll create an empty folder having the same security settings as this program files. Okay, so just search cmd, right click, run as administrator. Okay, now first of all we'll copy this icalc. Okay, succeeded. Now we'll go in the games folder where there is a replica of program files. Now program files from original C drive, that security setting of that program file will be installed in this and saved in this program files, okay, by this code. Okay, hit enter. Okay, now when you will right click on it, you will see that all the security setting, exact security setting has been copied. Now what we will do, we will, okay, this will be the source of the file. Using robocopy will move the video line, and this will be the destination of the file, and will move, and E will be recursively. Okay, all the subfolders inside it also be. Okay, now copy, hit enter. Now when we will go inside this program files, this has been copied. Okay, video line has come in the F drive. Okay, let's check the security setting. The security setting is same. Okay, now when it has come here, now we will go here and see if it exists here or not. It is not, it does not exist here. Okay, the folder is not here, video line. Now what we'll do, we'll using mklink will link the source to destination. Okay, so whenever a request to open VLC will come to this location, program files, it will say no, the file is not here, it has gone to this drive. Okay, it's like a postman who comes with a letter, a request, and you say that this neighbor has moved to the next door. Okay, so let's do it. Copy it. Okay, and sorry, first of all let's change the source this, and let's change the destination as, okay, this, and this will make a directory link. Okay, now paste it, hit enter. Junction created. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the C drive. Okay, and then we'll go to CD. Okay, and this C program files folder. Okay, now we'll type directory dir and see that, okay, this is the junction which has been created. Okay, a junction has been created, video line folder. new address is this. Okay, this person has been shifted here. Okay, now you can open VLC without any problem, because it'll open. It is not in C drive, but it can open without any problem. So that's it, guys. We have moved the VLC from C to F drive without any problem, and we have created a junction for it. That's it, guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek page.